Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Donna. This is Kingsley, my king parrot, and this is Marbles, my mustache parakeet. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you 10 things that you can teach your parrot to do. And it's starring Kingsley and Marbles. So it's coming up in a moment. All right, so number one is the step up. The step up is very important to teach your parrot to do, so you can move your parrot from place to place. You know, you want to put your parrot in the cage, come out of the cage, go into a carrier, or move room to room. So this is the step up. Kingsley, step up. Good boy. Kingsley, step up. Good boy. Oops. Number two is the step down. Step down going forward onto the perch. Marbles, baby, you step up. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Step down. Good boy. Step three is stepping off the perch but going backwards. It's a very important step, as you never know what position you will be with your hand for your parrot to step back on the perch. So stepping backwards. Marbles, step up. Good boy. Step back. Good boy. Number four is the wave. It's a very, very cute trick. I'll call it a trick, but you can teach them how to do a wave. It's very simple. I might do a separate video on that, but let's have a look at the wave. Marbles, wave. Yes, good boy. Kingsley, wave. Wave. Attaboy. Good boy. Marbles, wave. Good boy. Kingsley, wave. Attaboy, boy. Yay. Marbles, wave. Attaboy. Kingsley, wave. Good boy. And number five is the spin, which is also a cute little trick. It's just adorable, and you can teach your parrot very easily to spin on command. Marbles, spin. Good boy. Kingsley, spin. Spin. Good boy. Number six, the target clicker training method. I highly recommend you teaching your parrot to do the target stick training with the clicker. Every time you click, your bird gets a treat, and it looks forward to seeing the target stick. You can move your bird, from place to place, move your bird in the cage, out of the cage, especially when they're hormonal or just not in a good mood or don't want to be stepping up on your hand. So the target clicker training is it's safer, but they should all know that. So here's some, my bird's doing some target stick training. Marbles, come. Come. Come on. Marbles, come. Number 7, the drop it. if your parrot ever gets into anything like holding anything in its mouth it shouldn't have, you want to teach it to drop it. So I was just using a ball as an example. You know, you can play a game like drop the ball, you want to play fetch. As long as your bird can learn how to drop the object that they shouldn't have, then you can start off with this easy training method by using a toy, just trading it for a treat. You give a treat and they drop the toy, and you say the commands and they'll know that they have to drop whatever object they have in their hand or their mouth. Thank you. You want to play catch? You want to play catch? Drop the ball. Marbles. Marbles. Drop the ball. Drop the ball. Drop the ball. Drop the ball. Good boy. Finally. Yay. And number 8 is the recall, which is a very, very important thing to teach your parrot. You want your parrot to come to you on command, to fly to you wherever you are. If your bird ever gets away, outside especially, it will know how to come back to you. So my birds are trained to come back to me. I can make separate videos on each step if you like, but this is just things that you can teach your parrot. So I'm going to show you my bird, Kingsley, coming back to me. Kingsley, come. Good boy, very good boy. Kingsley, come. Good boy. Good boy, yay. Kingsley, come. Kingsley, come. Good boy. You landed on my shoulder. Yeah, you did. What a good boy you are. Kingsley, come. Good boy. Number 9 is go to perch. You want to train your bird to go somewhere else, to land somewhere else, especially if you don't, you're doing something that you can't have your bird around, or you just want him to go have his own time. You teach your bird to go to another perch. And also for exercise, for flying purposes, you can teach your bird to fly, to land on the perch, over there and come back to you. But this is the command, go to perch. I just say perch. So I'm going to show you Kingsley doing his perch. Kingsley, perch. Yes. Perch. Yes. Go perch. Yes. Number 10, this is the last one. So this is basically going to perch and doing the recall. So you can have fun flying back and forth, and go to perch and come back. Go to perch and come back. It's really great exercise for your parrot. So Kingsley's going to show you how he does that. Kingsley, perch. Yes. Come. Yes. What a good boy. Kingsley, perch. Yes. Kingsley, come. Atta boy. Good boy. Kingsley, go perch. Yes. Good boy. Kingsley, come. Yes. What a good boy. Kingsley, go perch. Yes. Good boy. Come on back. Come on, Kingsley. Kingsley, come. Yes. Even to the other hand. Yes. Good boy. Kingsley, go perch. Yes. Good boy. Kingsley, come. Kingsley, come. Good boy. So those were my 10 things that you can teach your parrot to do. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know if you'd like to see individual videos on how I taught my parrots to do these 10 things. So I want to thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Do you want to wave to everybody, Kingsley? Oh, you got your mouth full, huh? Wave, wave, wave. Atta boy. You're supposed to look over there and say goodbye. Hi, hi Marbles. All right, so we'll see you in the next video. you looking for more food? Give me a kiss. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.